Howdy brewers. Well, today we're going to try the Cooper's Sparkling Ale clone recipe from the extract with a Cooper's Sparkling Ale. They come in cans now. So, first things first with Cooper's, I like to roll them to rouse the yeast. And as I use the harvested Cooper's yeast, I'll be doing the same thing. Sorry I missed last week's video. I was sick, so my taste buds and my nose were not up to scratch, so I couldn't do this video then, and I didn't really have a lot else going on. So let's just see how it looks out. Well, okay, there's more carbonation than I thought. Excuse me. Don't know what's going on there, but I do have a mess to clean up. Don't know if I can do a comparison. Give it one last go. That's just weird. So, before, well, the canned version is also bubbling away at the bottom too. Just granted, my smell might still be a little impaired, but they smell the same. I'll taste mine first. The flavours are exactly the same. Well done Coopers on the recipe and giving us the extract. They're exactly the same. The difference for me is the bitterness. The commercial version is more bitter. And that's not the upfront bitterness, that's the same. It's once you swallow it, the repeating bitterness that comes back. So yeah, that's wow. That's a surprise. Yes, they're the same beer. That's a real surprise. A pleasant one, because I do love this beer. Yeah, so in terms of the malt flavours, or the flavour profile, it's very typical Australian sparkling ale. There's a hint of sort of the bready flavours. There's a hint of honey. The yeast gives a little hint of pear, and you get the Pride of Ringwood, just flat bitterness with there's no fruitiness or anything like that. Pretty sure there are only bittering additions that go in these beers, but they are. Oh wait, colour. Just have a quick look. My version's slightly darker, but remember, I didn't use the Cooper's light dry malt. I used Munton's, I think. Ooh, I think it's Munton's light dry malt. So that might be the reason why it's slightly darker. If you use the Cooper's one, might come out exactly the same colour. All right, well, that's a fantastic result. Really happy with that. I'll put the recipe at the end of the video, or how I made the brew. But until next time, happy brewing.